Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad, Shri Mahendra Reddy Garu, Vice President and Head of CSR Hero, Mr. Vijay Sethi, Mr. Chauhan, my colleague, Mr. Mahesh, all the senior officers present, all the police officers present, all the members of media, electronic and print media, all the dealers of Hero, dear teachers, students, good evening all. It is definitely a very good moment for all of us that we have such a wonderful facility of traffic training park in Hyderabad. Earlier also we had one, but seeing the city being so big, we thought that one would not be enough for the entire city. Like we have nearly 80 to 90 lakhs of population of the city. So we thought that one facility would not be enough. So Hero came forward to partner with us for this facility. We already had maybe very little facility here. So I thank Hero for coming forward and their top management and lower level management that they came forward, invested a lot of money as per the corporate social responsibility and made it so beautiful. I must place it on record that not even a single tree has been removed, only bushes were removed, and I think colonies which are surrounding it have become safer, and definitely some wild animals used to be there, so now we will not have that kind of problem. And it is created environment friendly way. Lot of water harvesting pits have been created in this facility so that the water level in Hyderabad in surrounding area improves. So I must say that we have kept everything in mind, all the environmental issues. Most important here is that creation of a facility for people of Hyderabad, especially students and children, to learn safe driving. You know, Hyderabad reports nearly 350 plus fatalities in a year, and most of them are two-wheelers and pedestrians. I am hopeful that this facility will bring a lot of children, their parents, college students and other people to this facility, and they will learn the safe driving. And I wish that we compete with Stockholm, which has only 0.7% of fatalities per lakh of population in a year. There was recent survey and published by one of the daily in Hyderabad that Bangalore comes somewhere 8.2 fatalities in a year, and Chennai, it was showing some 29 fatalities per year. Per lakh of population. Hyderabad, we come somewhere around 5. So our target is to reduce it by great percentage to make it less than 0.7. You know, Stockholm is the best in the world, which has only 0.7% of the fatalities per lakh of population. So we need to work on that, and maybe I wish that we have many more such training parks, traffic training parks, and I wish that now our people, traffic policemen, now whenever somebody is doing rash driving, earlier what we used to do, we used to get only people who are indulging in drunken driving for the counseling. Now no. All the people who are doing dangerous driving also will be brought to such institution. They will be given 4 hours of safe driving course in this institution. Not only this institution, other institution at Gosha Mahal also. Definitely, we need to improve the safety standard in the city, and we are committed to it. And I thank everyone for coming for this occasion. I especially thank our Commissioner sir for sparing his time and coming and inaugurating this facility and encouraging all the officers and children here. And I also thank media for being available and covering it. I wish all the best to all the people here. Thank you. Jai Hind.